Okay, ndiko vatanganedza pano ka pre-action usina na zvimwe terwe namusi ndouya nga n'wananyana sesi khaladzi yashu u vhidzwa pfhi nyi Reanay vha ḓo mfara katela zwino mudzimu ntsikaho ndi na malimi vho vha khou zwiva zwo limi ndi eme so u pfhi Reanay ana Fizzy vha khou ḓa vha ri stick up Reanay Fizzy stick up a ri pfhe terwe ndi sathu amba zwinzhi. Music.
Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody put your hands on your head. Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody lay your hands on the floor. Damn. It's a stick up. Damn. It's a stick up. Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody lay your hands on the floor.
Everybody on the goddamn.
Okay, firstly, kumuramba nga huku ya Fizzy ne. Ringamba zothe nga Fizzy hey Fizzy every day when I wake up and everything, but the fact that yeah, Fizzy is a music genius. We are gonna diva. This is yeah. The chorus here, but bash. I defend the fair or you munza na chela but to move on the tea.
Damn floor, it's a stick up. All my bitches getting mad on the floor. Look at it. I'm like, I'm so fucking mad with the flows, but a ball. Bitches staring from my head to my toes. I ain't gotta say a word when I pull up. It's a thing. I ain't tryna take a third in a bitch. I'm the shit, so then you get it on. I'm about to hustle, I get it on. I know some.
This girl can rap. This girl can rap about what? This girl can rap. I'm enjoying this. Let me take it back now. This girl can rap about what?
Fucking mad with the flows, but a ball. Bitches staring from my head to my toes. I ain't gotta say a word when I pull up. It's a thing. I ain't tryna take a third in a bitch. I'm the shit, so then you get it on. I'm about to hustle, I get it on. I know Miss Contel is only talking in favor of bitches, they got it wrong. They got nothing to do, they ain't got nothing to prove. Tryna stay cool, I hate it, bigger the proof. Haters I have for my view, I stay mute. Get it, I stay in my lane. Bitches go always complain, shit in the game. I got them fucked up again, doing it over again. I'm up for pay.
Everybody on the goddamn floor.
Okay guys, dorombuza ndinyi murapa venda ngamanda kabadzana ngoti let me say it because this is a girl ndimuphe murapa wamuzana venda ane unonga uya repopulate this girl like ane a flower than this girl because wow, this flow is so sick, like she got this. So please arona muntu nina mudiva wamuzana so hoyu homuzana uya rapper una the flows that dangerous. Please come and mention below and someone go subscribe. But so far no watching that the first event rap na mina zote. This girl is top and to mamsindi go move fast so they don't mtezo imba nyimbo za. Yeah, this is the first, like she's damn good. And they were facing on what the nazo up to fire music.
Everybody put your hands on your head. Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody lay your hands on the floor. Damn. It's a stick up. Damn. It's a
The beat though. The beat. Pinyeto beat but what? Yo.
Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody lay your hands on the floor.
I got a pity until a dream that is worth my sleep. I ain't got no time for beef, tryna hop on my Jeep. I've been on that love attraction, it's been mastering me. I be rapping in my sleep, the shit is deeper than deep. See, I spit it just how I want it, get it just how I want it. I ain't me shit on nobody, but if the shoe fits, then you wear it. Looking at my they want it. I only talk, I'm Jewish. Nigga, but it's deep in soup. I ain't gotta chill, I'm happy like a fool. Oh. The game so fly, niggas on ice, eyes on us, cut for the price. Check. Don't be acting no surprise, nigga. I ain't for groupies, my nigga. Call me for groupies, my nigga. I'm gonna whip it, my nigga. Don't act like a groupie, my nigga.
Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody put your hands on your head. Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody lay your hands on the floor. Damn. It's a stick up. Damn. It's a stick up. Everybody on the goddamn floor. Damn. Everybody lay your hands on the floor. Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody put your hands on your head. Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody lay your hands on the floor. Damn. It's a stick up. Damn. It's a stick up. Everybody on the goddamn floor. Everybody lay your hands on the floor. Everybody
Hey, it's a stick up. Oh my God. Oh my God. I man. Oh my God. I enjoyed this song. I enjoyed this song. Hey man, like I'm still playing a challenge at the if Nico Bona a video and you're like female rapper, send me a songs, tell me, comment here and say, hey man, ndina dzinyimbo kidza mtu ndine mrapper, I'm a girl and ndinyaga so please do that nyagobona uri zvavudhi kutangana mina petu god ati unonga unamuudzana navo uya report this girl like she's damn good. Yeah, she's damn good. She's that good. She's amazing. So, yeah, if one, I enjoyed this song and the Fizzy, didn't disappoint. He came to write it. Didn't disappoint. So I enjoyed the song overall. I'm gonna give it like 8 out of 10. I enjoyed the song. And if una mwana dzazo nyimbo dza Reanay dzikuwana na guy, tell me ndiye ndinambe ndizidownload ndiyithekesa muzika wawe. She's damn good. So this is Reanay on a Fizzy stick up. I'll thank you in my next reaction video. Ciao.